Well, good afternoon, everybody.
Good day, mate.
I've been seeing a lot of videos posted on YouTube from owners of the Aipas e-bikes, and they're showing some of the custom things that they've done to theirs. So I thought I would do a video on mine, just show what things I've done to it to change it and improve it. This is, of course, the M2, and the M2 is different from the M1 only because of that bar right there, the M2. So some of the things that I've done on this one to help improve it. First thing was the brakes. It's a bolt-on kit, very simple to install. A little bit of a challenge to get it aligned, but if you take your time, you can get it done, and they work great, really great. Also upgraded the pedals, kind of going with a gold theme, blue and gold, for no particular reason other than it looks cool.
Well, isn't that special?
I did raise the handlebars because of I like a higher bar riding position. Also, where the seat post is, I cut about 4 inches off of the seat post right here. It was about that tall, if not more. I cut it off so that I could lower the seat position. I like being able to get on the bike a lot easier than with a tall seat. Riding position is still good. We also changed the seat to this really nice padded seat, and I found an old wooden skateboard that I attached to the bike rack in the back to give it sort of a surfer look. Also put a wireless Bluetooth speaker, attached it to the center bar there with a charging cord that can be used for my cell phone or the speaker. A couple of different phone mounts. Put a mirror on the left side. The levers, that's just a small hobby of mine. I do sometimes wrap things with paracord. So I found some gold paracord and weaved covers on the levers. Other than that, we've probably got, I probably have 200 miles on this bike now. Have had zero problems with it. Highly recommend it. They're great bikes. If you keep the speed of the bike around 10 miles an hour in about pedal assist 3, keep your speed about 10 miles an hour, you can ride this thing all day long, man. You can go 40-50 miles easy.
It ain't got no gas in it.
And that's all day on one of these things. Highly recommend these bikes. They're really good, ride really nice. Have had zero issues with them, and just wanted to go over some of the things that I've done to customize it and make it a little bit better than it already is. All right, well, we appreciate you watching. I'm Steve Carr, and we'll talk to you later.